Okay, we are at the Westgate Professional Center. And we've got some elevators. Old Westies. Here we go. Ooh, this is vintage. Go up to 5. They're pop out. They're pop button, I think. Nope. But they are really old. 2,500 pound capacity. These are beautiful. We're gonna be very quiet. And watch the light go out. That's nice. Let's go back down to, I don't know if LL was a public first, we're just gonna go down to 1. Let's get a quick cab view. There's a lantern. It stays lit. It's a pretty nice cab. I like these buttons. Westinghouse. That is awesome. For 1, use attraction. That was nice. Okay, go back up to 5. There's your Westinghouse analog. Westinghouse floor tag. Oh, it's got the bumper. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and transfer real quick to the other one. It's up on the top. Modded call station, but they are original. That's nice. There goes that one. There's the stairs. I'm calling it down. Up here comes. I think LL isn't even a floor. It might be, but okay, on this one it is, but this one just has 5 floors. Okay. Okay, so this one's smaller. Not bad. Look at that green arrow. That is nice. These are traction. Westinghouse. This was well worth the visit. Let's go back down to 1. Westinghouse floor tag. This one has a slow door. Diesel Lucy, what do you think about this? Escadella, high roll escalators and elevators, planet escalators. Awesome Will, what do you guys all think of this? Beautiful Westinghouse. It's got like black buttons. That's cool. Here we go. We're gonna come down here. Westgate Professional Building. Alright, and there they are. This one's just parked here now. I think they're just gonna park. I think this is just where they park. Because look, yeah, this one does have an extra floor. That one does go down. Alright, well, that'll be it. Thank you for watching.